where we explore the best techniques for simple shower niche framing. In today's video, we focus on the 2 best methods to create a stylish and functional shower niche that enhances your bathroom space. Our step-by-step guide will provide you with clear instructions and professional tips to achieve a perfect result. The first method involves a straightforward approach using prefabricated niche kits. This method is ideal for DIY enthusiasts looking for an efficient solution. We begin by measuring the desired location on your shower wall, ensuring the dimensions fit your available space. Next, we outline the niche opening and carefully remove the existing tile to reveal the underlying wall structure. With precision, we install the niche frame provided in the kit, securing it with high-quality construction adhesive. This method minimizes waste and simplifies the installation process, allowing even beginners to achieve a flawless finish. Our second method emphasizes a custom-built niche design for those who want a more tailored look. In this technique, we start by marking the dimensions directly on the wall and reinforcing the area with waterproof backerboard. After establishing a secure framework using metal studs, we frame the niche opening with a focus on symmetry and clean lines. Once the frame is complete, we install the niche's inner supports and waterproofing layers to prevent moisture damage. Finally, finishing touches include tiling and sealing to achieve a cohesive appearance that blends seamlessly with your shower's overall design. Both methods prioritize ease of installation and durability. Whether you choose the quick prefabricated kit or the custom-built approach, our detailed instructions will guide you through every step, ensuring your shower niche not only looks beautiful but functions efficiently. Enjoy your transformation journey with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tutorials.